Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to level up fast in Raid Shadow Legends. Leveling up your account fast in Raid Shadow Legends comes down to efficient XP farming and smart resource use. The most consistent XP comes from campaign farming, with stages like 12 over 3, Brutal being popular for energy efficiency and silver drops. Using a strong farmer champion lets you clear stages faster, and activating a double XP boost from daily login or shops doubles your gains. Always spend your energy, and use energy is wasted, while daily and events quests provide extra refills. Joining an active clan adds rewards and energy for more farming, and clan boss fights also provide useful gear and positions. Completing daily, weekly, and monthly quests consistently gives XP, resources, and energy. Events and tournaments add extra XP boosts and chickens. Focusing on building a single farmer first helps carry other champions and accelerate leveling across your account efficiently. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.